Hello, good guys. This is Will Bansa, Realty TV. Today, I am with my team. We will bring you the latest promos and updates for Bloom Residences.
Are you looking for a new home or smart investment that gives you connectivity and value for money? Let me show you why Bloom Residences in Sucat, Parañaque is the perfect choice for you.
Una sa lahat, si Bloom Residences is located along Dr. A. Santos Avenue in Sucat, Parañaque City. Super lapit sa SLEX, Skyway, NAIA, Makati, BGC, and even Alabang. So whether you work north or south, mabilis ang biyahe. Less stress, more time for you and your family.
Good news! We have ongoing move-in promo. Sobrang gaan ng terms, flexible down payment, at mabilisang turnover. Ito, may bonus pa. May free appliances or furniture for selected units. Ang dali na lang lumipat. Just bring yourself and ready to live.
Kung gusto mo ng resort-style living, this is it. You'll enjoy swimming pools, jogging paths, basketball court, landscape gardens, clubhouse, 24/7 security. It's like living in a peaceful private resort every day.
So what are the advantages of living here in Bloom Residences? First-time homeowners, families na gusto ng fresh start, OFWs na gusto ng safe and secure property, professionals working in the metro, or retirees na looking for peaceful condo living. Overall, Bloom Residences is ideal for those seeking great value for their money.
Gusto mo pa ba ng extra income, long-term lease or daily staycation? Dahil ang location nito ay super in demand. May staycation business ka na, may property ka pa. Dito lang yan sa Bloom Residences.
So, if you're looking for comfort, convenience, and long-term value, Bloom Residences is the place to be.
If you're looking for a team that guarantees reliability and precision in handling your inquiries, look no further. Team Job is ready to assist you. Again, this is Will Bansa, Realty TV.